Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your liked videos on YouTube. Now, open up the YouTube app or youtube.com and let's say you liked this video. You started watching it and maybe you saved it and maybe you tap the thumbs up or the like button. Now, the nice thing is you can go in and find all of those videos that you have liked. And the first thing we're going to do is tap on the U button at the bottom right. Now, you can go through a convoluted way where you go into your Google account and find all of your reactions and interactions. However, the nice thing is they just started adding a playlist of your liked videos. So we're going to tap on playlist here, and there is liked videos. Keep in mind, this is completely private. No one else can see this. And there is that Rivian video that I just liked. I can just tap on it to open it up, and you'll be able to see this entire playlist of all of these videos I've liked. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.